Hi, I just want to quickly come online and share with you how successful the Viltrox and Vphoto Try Viltrox Lens event was. A lot of people turn up and they completely loved the event. I get a lot of good feedback that you enjoyed the class that I taught. The 20 things that I learned in 20 years in 2 hours. I called that class the 2022. Thanks for the feedback. And many of the photographers enjoyed using the lens to shoot the urban landscape in the seminar areas. So if you look forward to join us next time, stay tuned to this YouTube channel. The next time we have an event, we're going to invite you. Please come. Because I promise you, when Beyond Photography and the brands do an event, it's going to be fantastic. And don't forget, stay subscribed so that the next time we have an event, you can join us. And the best part is, these events are all free. Enjoy the pictures and the video. One leg, this leg that is in front, to the front. So Vphoto and Viltrox, thank you for the working opportunity. I totally enjoyed myself too. In fact, Gina enjoyed it so much, I actually got myself a Viltrox 40mm.
How was it?